Exclamation marks are used to show strong emotion at the end of a sentence or after an interjection. An interjection is a word on its own or used as a part of a sentence. It expresses sudden emotion such as surprise, joy, fear, or enthusiasm. Interjections are usually used at the beginning of a sentence, and when used on their own can be a sentence in their own right. For example, stop, wow, or oh. An exclamation mark is a straight line above a full stop. Did you know that there are towns whose names include an exclamation mark in them, such as Westward Ho! In Britain?